I'm Amy from Korean Things.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Today you'll be learning about how to make a past tense. In order to make a past tense, you should first get used to the past forms of Korean verbs. We attach many types of endings to verbs or adjectives to create various meanings. But in this lesson, we'll only focus on endings for the past actions. And I've already mentioned you that Korean verbs or adjectives end with 다. The remaining part after we drop 다 is called verb stem. Verb stem. And we attach different types of endings to this verb stem. When a verb has a vowel O or A, we put 았어 for past actions. Let's see 3 different situations we put 았어. If the verb has a vowel A and has no 받침, which is the ending consonant, we put 았어. 았어. What is the verb stem for 자다, 선생님?
자다에서 다를 빼고 자.
We have to attach 았어. So it's supposed to be 자았어. But do you say 자았어, 선생님?
No.
No. Then what we do is we usually combine this 자 and at, and which becomes 잣. The past form of sleep in Korean is
잤어.
잤어. And we'll practice more examples like this. 가다 is
go.
까다 is
pill.
따다 is
pick.
파다 is
dig.
dig. In order to get a verb stem, we have to drop 다.
Yeah.
Then these are verb stems. And if you want to change this to past actions, then we have to put 았어, but we have to shorten this to
갔어. 깠어. 깠어. 땄어. 땄어. 팠어. 팠어.
And if you want to make it polite version of this, then you can put 요 at the very end. Okay?
갔어요. 갔어요. 깠어요. 깠어요. 땄어요. 땄어요. 팠어요. 팠어요.
팔다 is
sell.
sell. If a verb stem has a vowel a and 받침 as well, we put at right after this.
팔았어.
팔았어. So 팔았어 is
sold.
sold. Let's practice more examples like this. 말다 is
roll.
roll. 갈다 is
grind.
grind. 살다 is
live.
live. 막다 is
block.
block. So we're gonna put 았어 to these 4 verb stems. 말았어 is
rolled.
rolled. 갈았어 is
ground.
ground. And 살았어 is
lived.
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 막았어 is
blocked.
blocked. Next, 보다 is
see.
see. What is the verb stem of 보다, 선생님?
다를 이렇게 빼면 보.
보. And if a verb stem has vowel O, then what we do is we put 았어. But we don't say 보았어. Instead, we have to combine this verb stem and add together. Then it becomes
봤어.
봤어. 봤어. So what we say is 봤어. 봤어. Then let's practice more examples like this. 오다 is
come.
come. 쏘다 is shoot. shoot. And these 2 has vowel O. So what we do is we have to combine this verb stem plus at. What is the past form of come?
왔어.
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 So we don't say 오 왔어. We say 왔어.
왔어.
왔어. shoot. What is the past form of shoot?
쐈어.
쐈어. So plus at. So it becomes 쐈. 쐈. So 쐈어.
쐈어.
쐈어 is the past version of shoot. Okay? 먹다 is
eat.
eat. And if a verb stem has a vowel other than O or A, then what we do is we put 었어. 었어. Then what is the past form of 먹다?
먹다. 먹었어.
먹었어. 먹었어 is the past version of eat. Okay? Then we'll practice more examples like this. 입다 is
wear.
읽다 is
read.
read. 들다 is
lift.
lift. So these three verb stems have other than o or a, then we have to put 었어 for past actions.
입었어, 입었어, 입었어.
So wore is 입었어.
입었어. 읽었어, 읽었어.
So read is 읽었어.
들었어, 들었어.
So lifted is 들었어.
If a verb stem has a vowel other than o or a, but doesn't have any ending consonant, we combine the verb stem and ot together. For example, 서다 means stand. When the verb stem 서 is combined with ot, it becomes 섰, 섰어, 섰어. 두다 is put, and do plus ot is 뒀. The past tense of put is 뒀어, 뒀어. 끄다 is turn off, and 끄 plus ot is 껐. The past tense of turn off is 껐어, 껐어.
And finally, if the dictionary form of verb has 하다 ending, in this case we have to switch 하 to had in order to make a past sentence. 숙제하다 is
Do homework.
but if you want to change this to a past action, we have to change 하 to had. Then it becomes
숙제했어.
숙제했어. And we'll practice more about this. 운전하다 is
Drive.
청소하다 is
Clean.
샤워하다 is
Take a shower.
take a shower. If you want to change these three to past actions, then we have to put 했어 right after this. Then drove is
운전했어.
cleaned is
청소했어.
took a shower is
샤워했어.
너 어제 학교 갔어?
어제 학교 갔어.
언니 어제 학교 갔어요?
네, 어제 학교 갔어요.
언니 어제 학교 갔어요?
응, 나 어제 학교 갔어.
너 작년에 영국에 살았어?
나 작년에 영국에 살았어.
언니 작년에 영국에 살았어요?
네, 저 작년에 영국에 살았어요.
언니 작년에 영국에 살았어요?
나 작년에 영국에 살았어.
너 어제 영화 봤어?
나 어제 영화 봤어.
언니 어제 영화 봤어요?
네, 어제 영화 봤어요.
언니 어제 영화 봤어요?
어제 영화 봤어.
너 어제 책 읽었어?
어제 책 읽었어.
언니 어제 책 읽었어요?
네, 어제 책 읽었어요.
언니 어제 책 읽었어요?
어제 책 읽었어.
너 어제 청소했어?
나 어제 청소했어.
언니 어제 청소했어요?
네, 어제 청소했어요.
언니 어제 청소했어요?
어제 청소했어.
팠어, 팠어. 깠어, 깠어. 막았어, 막았어. 갈았어, 갈았어. 왔어, 왔어. 껐어, 껐어. 운전했어, 운전했어. 샤워했어, 샤워했어.